Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce our latest skid steer loader. This machine has garnered attention due to its outstanding design and powerful features. It can perform various tasks such as lifting, loading, and digging, and it is equipped with advanced electroproportional control levers that make operation more precise and convenient. It can rotate 360 degrees in place, allowing it to maneuver in tight spaces, making it highly flexible in narrow working environments. Its design enables it to easily handle various slopes, enhancing its adaptability to different terrains. We have multi-line quick couplers. We offer standard flow couplers as well as high flow couplers, featuring the renowned fast couplers. We can also match 14-pin connectors to control various attachments for different functions. This design allows for quicker and more convenient accessory changes. The machine is equipped with a rear view camera and turn signals. When we open the engine cover, we can see a locking switch. And there is a protective mesh added outside the cab. Now, let's take a look at the interior. First, we need to close the door and lower the safety lever to ensure safe operation. There are various function buttons on this side, and multiple icons are displayed on the screen. Press the P button to activate the travel function. Press the function button to start the working function. The left joystick controls travel, while the right joystick controls work functions. These are the buttons for controlling the attachments. On the right side, there are various light buttons and a wiper button. This is the air conditioning adjustment knob. Air conditioning vent. Radio speaker. Top lights. The high-low speed control knob allows for easy switching by rotating, adapting to different work requirements. The throttle control: at low speed, you need to press the throttle to move forward, while at high speed, you can control movement with the joystick. This skid steer loader, with its efficiency, flexibility, and multifunctionality, will undoubtedly become a reliable assistant in engineering operations. Thank you for your watching.